How to add border in a video with Capcut. Now, first things first is you have to import the video or image you wanted the border to be added with. Now, once done, we have to drag the file to the timeline, and then on the upper right, you will be able to see video and basic. Now, you have to scroll all the way down and make sure that canvas is enabled. Now, the options are here. Now, we have to click on color. By here, we have to choose what specific color of the border you wanted to. For example, white. Now that's enabled. Go all the way up, and for us to get the border shown, we have to adjust the scale. There you go. And then, if you wanted to crop the image or adjust the whole image, just click on the file under the timeline, then click Create Compound Clip. And then by there, we can adjust the image and we can move the image that has border in it. So that's how you can add border to the video or image with Capcut.